A very good afternoon, students of class 5. I'm here with your English grammar class. We are going to discuss lesson 31, short forms. Though this particular topic is not coming for your final examination, but all the same I felt I should discuss with you. And this is not a new topic for you. This we have learned even in class 4, the short forms. Students, what I want to tell you is most of the time the short forms are used mostly by English speaking people. While they speak, they get accustomed in speaking, so they use the short forms more. But for us as a part of a language, we also have to use to study this, even both in speaking and as well as for writing. So don't take it very lightly, but the short forms are very, very important. Sometimes rewriting the paragraphs, we will get rewriting the sentences using the short forms. So this is for you to understand for your further references in the higher classes. So learn, try to understand. It is there in your book, page 127, book lesson 31. So let's see what is written in your book as an introduction to this lesson. A short form is used is a shortened form of a group of words. A group of words of complete sentences written, and some short forms are used for some particular words, and that is known as the short forms. Short forms are used in both oral as well as written communication. So when we have to communicate both orally and plus we use it for writing purpose, short forms. When a short form is written in English, so short forms is written in English, the omitted letters, the left out letters are replaced by an apostrophe. So almost all the short forms you will find an apostrophe is put, where the letters we remove, and in place of that we put the short forms. So common short forms, let us see what are they. Few common ones we know, but let us see what are the some common forms. Here are some common short forms and the groups of words that they represent. Group of words, it can be more than one. So are not, aren't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, did not, didn't, does not, doesn't, do not, don't, had not, hadn't, has not, hasn't. I am repeating this because you should get the correct pronunciation also. So please pay attention to. Have not, haven't, he had or he would, both we use he'd, he apostrophe d. He will or he shall, both we will use he apostrophe double l, he'll. He is or he has, both we use his, he apostrophe yes. I had, I would, so I'd, I apostrophe d. I will, I shall, I'll, I apostrophe double l. I am, I have, I've, then is not, isn't, let's come to the position, or let's move to the field. All these things we normally use even in the school. Might not, mightn't, must not, mustn't, shall not, shan't, SHANT, an apostrophe T. He had or she would, she'd, apostrophe D. There is or there has, theirs. They had, they would, they'd. They will or they shall, they'll. They are, there. They have, there. We had or we would, we'd. We are, we are. We have, we've. Were not, weren't. What will or what shall, what'll. What are, what are. What is, what has, what's. What have, what have. Where is, where has, both was. We, who had, who would, who'd. Who will and who shall, who'll. Who are, who are. Who is, who has, whose. Who have, who've. Will not, want. Would not, wouldn't. You had or you'd. She'll or he will, she shall, she'll. She's or he has, she's. She should not or shouldn't. That's, that is or that has, used that's. You will or you shall, you'll. You are, you are. You have, you have. So you may find it difficult in pronouncing it, but you can pronounce it a complete word, but while writing especially you have to take care of writing it in the apostrophe, and what are the things we have to omit it. No, what are the things we have to leave out. Now, one short form that is not on the above list is it means it's. It is useful to note that it's a short form is often confused with the it's, a possessive pronoun. Remember, it's, it is, and it's possessive pronoun. So there is a difference, like it is. So we use at a pronunciation it's. But when it is it's, it is a possessive pronoun, like cat, drink is milk. No, so it's means their possessive. Cat is taking the milk of which is offered. So here it is means it is a flask, or it is a classroom, it is a tree. So then we'll say it's a tree. No, we use it in that way. Here they are used in sentences. Example of it's and its. It's nice outside today. No, it's nice outside today. That is it is nice outside today, the short form. It is nice outside today. So we write it as short form it's. The dog ate its food, belongingness. No, the food belongs to the dog is the dog ate its food. Short form usage. Short forms are used when you speak to your friends and family members every day. So every day when we use this, we must make it a point that we use it in short form. However, it is important to note that contractions, short forms are, another word is contractions, are often considered inappropriate in formal writing. So formal letter writing, or formally we are writing to somebody, so that time we do not use the short forms, we use it as a complete word, the group of words. So contractions, short forms, all these are when we have to use. Normally speaking, every day we speak to our friends, parents or colleagues or whatever it is, we can use it in short forms. So please remember this once again. A short form is shortened form of a group of words. A group of words are given, we make it a short, leaving out some letters and using an apostrophe. So we have some exercise of rewriting it wherever necessary. According to the direction you should be able to do. Please do it in your book. I'll be sending the correct answers, so you can match it. What you have done is right or wrong. So wish you all the best. Keep this once you completed your exam syllabus studying, then thereafter you even soon after the exam also you can go through these lessons, so that you will it will be helpful for you in the further classes. Thank you.